I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable your NFT marketplace on OpenSea, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Create an OpenSea account. Start by signing up for an account on OpenSea. You'll need a digital wallet like MetaMask to connect. Step 2. Set up your wallet. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Create your NFT. Go to the Create section and upload your digital asset. Fill in the details like title, description, and properties. Step 4. List your NFT for sale. After creating your NFT, click on Sell to set your price and choose the sale type, fixed price or auction. Step 5. Enable marketplace features. In your account settings, look for marketplace options to enable features like royalties and secondary sales. Make sure to save your changes. Remember, if you don't see the marketplace options, double check that your wallet is properly connected and funded. Happy selling!